We have this reputation as Bowhead, whether it's to our customers or to our industry partners, that this has to be Bowhead worthy and amazing. So we're using every trick we have in the bag to accomplish this. When someone buys a Bowhead, they're getting the same passion we all have here, which is a love of bikes.
It really feels like we've become a movement. It's just remarkable seeing a company grow so quickly with this passion and commitment and innovation.
Our bikes are complex. They have close to 800, 900 parts. And now we have 3 bikes. So multiply that by 3, we have customer service, we've got operations, we have engineering, we have inventory management, and SOLIDWORKS plays a role in every piece of our company. Bowhead was a one-trick pony in the beginning. We had one bike. I had created the original CAD, so I was just using folders. As the company grew to having more employees, more bikes, more parts, we really needed something for data management. So the 3D Experience platform became a much greater tool for the entire company, from customer service to log things in issues, to shop floor, to talk about engineering changes that they're after. It was this way to bring everybody together to manage an engineering company, not just to engineer the parts.
We're using one of the most advanced CAD tools along with 3D Experience to create and manage data. We're also using it to solve engineering problems. For me, creating adaptive technology means using tools like SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience platform to create experiences.
The ability to look at tasks on the platform is really important for us to continue to have transparency, or to start to have more transparency within even our own groups. You'd think that that would be easy to communicate with people, make sure everyone's on the same page. But at the end of the day, we have to make sure that the important information is in the right hands. Because if a builder, for example, just misses a little bit of information for some reason and not his own fault, we can't afford those kind of mistakes.
You find, as a non-engineer and a non-CAD user, you find different ways of using the tool that wouldn't be obvious to an engineer. By using 3D Experience, things become less obscure and everyone starts speaking the same language. And so just as a communication tool, we finally have one way to bring everybody together.
At the rate that we've been growing, SOLIDWORKS is a key teammate, and we couldn't have done it without them. Bowhead is more than a company. We're really making people's lives better and giving them a new outlook as well.